I'm out here at my patio table and I was looking for a new umbrella, but I wanted something huge. So I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here, and the sun is out and it gets pretty hot out here sitting in the sun. That's just how it works. I have done a lot of experiments over the years, and science is my strong suit. Sun makes things hot, conclusively proved. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do here was replace an umbrella that has been worse for wear over the years and just needed to go, and was kind of one of those standard round patio umbrellas, so provided sun, but there were a lot of times when you're sitting at the table and only half of the people are getting sun. So I thought, why not get maybe the biggest patio umbrella I can find? And I found this company here. It's called JAXPETY, and if it does its job, Jack should not be very sunny afterwards. So this patio umbrella is a little special. That's why I wanted to show it to you, because it is supposed to be huge. I will let you know what the specs are as soon as I look them up and can remember them, but let's get it unpacked and check it out. All right, so it comes in a flat box, and I actually thought it was furniture. I was like, did I order some furniture? And it's really two pieces. Doesn't look like I have a lot of assembly here. I have a bottom post, a little plastic bottom on there, just like me. And then we have a tapered edge here that will go into the bottom of the post, and then little detents that should secure it in place. You can see that middle post right there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and drop this in here after I take out that spacer. All right, so the base is put in here, and now I'm just gonna drop this on top of it. All right, it's clicked in there. I'm going to just kind of open this up here, a little tie down. And now what you can see is we have 3 humps up there. It's like a giant umbrella camel. And you can see that the bars here have little pockets to extend out the umbrella. It's just kind of this beige color. And then underneath here, I do have a crank and then a pin once this gets up into position. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cranking the sucker. And I wanna show you how big this thing is. In fact, gonna have to duck under it as it's opening up. We've got kind of this middle section, which is typical of a patio table, but then you have basically 2 more, which is kind of funny. And then if I just keep going up here, man, that is really stretched out. And I see a little hole up there where I can slide this pin through. Just like that. Now that will keep it from falling down. But I have this on wide angle lens right now, and you can just see how big this thing is. I think this is like 11 or 12 feet wide. And you can see how much of the table it covers. Edge of the table's here. If we look up, it's like center line to this piece right there, and same down here. Now, I will say it's kind of spinning a little bit in the wind, so I might have to anchor it, tie it down just a little bit to keep it in this position. But man, that is so big. You can see the little nylon cable that pulls it open. But man, everyone is going to have shade under this table this year. But if you want to pick up a giant patio table umbrella that is going to give you the shade that you have been needing, well, turn to JAXPETY, because Jax knows sun. I'll put a link to this umbrella, which was actually one of the cheapest ones I could find too, in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever faced.